guys, Ray Todd here, and today I am going fishing. As you can see, I am with Isis, Evie,
which I'm going to videotape a movie.
Ashley, Dad, video. I don't think he's ready for YouTube. Find that as grown as a high. Yeah, so we're gonna be fishing where?
Did you want to bring the other one?
But I said
So where are we? There's a bee.
Mommy.
Where is it a wasp?
Here.
The pink one's mine.
Mine is mine, which I know which one is mine.
I know which one's
Mine is mine, and yours is yours, and mine is mine, and no one else's. Oh,
I know,
thank you.
but I have to hold it. Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going fishing where, Ash? Ashley, where are we going fishing?
Because of the bee.
Ashley? Where are we going fishing?
Here. Right here. We're going to be fishing right here. So we're going to have
Dad,
to
what's this place called?
What is that?
Mountsberg?
We're at Mountsberg.
Yeah, so we're at Mountsberg. Eve, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, so
we're recording the same thing.
yeah.
Which is why it's gonna put his on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna put mine
But
on.
I'm not.
Oh, looks like we just lost our bench.
Where you guys going?
We're fishing over here.
What are you guys running for?
It's a bear!
Even I said.
A bear! So this is where we're fishing? No? Alright, so looks like we're going on a little adventure. And then we're going fishing. So, yeah, little adventure first, and then we stop here for a little bit of fishing. Oh, the bee scare cam.
It scared me.
I wonder if the bee was recording it and putting it on BTube. If there is something called BTube.
All over again. Where are we? Mountsberg?
Yeah, Mountsberg.
We're at Mountsberg. I took off my stuff.
Going fishing in a place where I've never been fishing before. Well, in a fishing spot that I've never been fishing before.
You've been fishing before?
I know. This is a spot that I haven't went fishing before. Oh. So we're going fishing right here.
Wait, you see that beautiful view?
Not really.
Well, I do.
Oh, seagulls going fishing.
It's a beautiful view. Mommy, did
I wish I still had my slow-mo cam. Where's Dad?
Going to the bathroom.
Where?
In the bush.
Well, I have to
Yeah,
use
so
the porta
I'm gonna.
potty, though.
It's not a good enough spot. I need like something to hold it.
Mommy, can something hold this?
I need a rock.
I need a stone. Just kidding. I need a rock.
There we go. Alright. I hope you guys can see me. But, you know what? Just give me a minute. This rock ain't helping.
Okay, I hope.
We are back. And please stop
Looks
kicking
gorgeous,
this.
doesn't it?
The
The reflection.
for fishing. And
Huh?
Evie, seriously.
So I guess what?
What?
Not seen a
Really?
seagull fall down from all the way over there yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, I seen this
Cool.
seagull.
Guess
Yeah.
what?
Hi everybody.
I found
I'm
seashells.
back again.
But it
Yesterday.
doesn't? Huh.
This is my
What?
fishing rod. Stand up.
Huh.
This is my
Doesn't bother
fishing
me.
rod.
Alright,
because
so
I'm
see
going
that?
to
Look at
fly.
that. See that beautiful view? Even move
You
out of
see
that beautiful view.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Nature.
You see that beautiful view? And there's an airplane.
Yeah.
Shows you how shallow the water is. 'Cause I know the rock can't be that big. But I mean, the water's supposed to be all
See
the way
a dragonfly.
Yeah.
That's how much.
Oh, so I just threw my fishing rod in the water. So, let's go
Can
fishing.
we walk in since we're wearing sandals?
Mommy, can we walk in since we're wearing sandals? Why? Can we just go in the bed? See the stone there?
Hey, look what I found. Free worms.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found free worms. Literally, I found free worms. They're right under this rock. A whole bunch of
This way.
bugs.
Mommy's
Free
found a
I
worm.
said free worms. What?
Guess what? This way.
I mean free worms. What?
Where? Mommy, I mean this way. So
Mommy
we
found
just
a
found a worm.
Did
And-
my phone fall? No, it didn't.
And I'm going to
This
go
way.
fishing. Bye. This way.
Real worm.
Mommy found a really nice.
Mom,
You're going to the snail. They're probably in the snow. Mommy.
He's trying to gauge how deep it is.
Go in.
see, Dad? Look,
Don't.
look, Dad. Free worm.
Don't. It's that big.
Don't do it.
Okay.
See, yes, look. It's a worm. I caught this worm waiting on my hook.
My
spider!
Did you find that?
Yeah.
Can you find one for me, please?
You gotta look for it. Look under the rocks. That's where I found this one. Yeah, so, look at this little guy. Look at him. Oh. There it is. Say hi to YouTube, little guy. Well, guess what? I found a worm. Worms are awesome. You shh. He's slimy. I'm guessing Evie is scared of butterflies now. Look, your whole family's in there, little worm.
Catch me a worm.
A worm?
Yeah.
For what? Mine? This is my one that I found. It came from the ground.
So neighbor, there's some under this rock.
There you go, little worm.
This way.
Your life's gonna end.
This way. Why there's other worms under this rock? No, under the rock that I'm standing on.
Watch out. Watch out. It could be squishy. Nope, just bugs.
So high.
Really, guys?
I'm gonna be fishing right there, Dad.
Wait. Can you help me find the worms?
You'll find them, Evie. Back. I couldn't replay it. I couldn't. Yeah, so to the. Just hold these. I found another worm.
Where? Are you keeping that?
For you. So let's see if you can. There you go. What's wrong? Scared you?
No.
Oh, it's not.
Went down.
Catch one already, bud?
I don't know. It's not tugging. Because it went down.
Wormy! I found another worm.
Well then, I got an octopus.
Make me a
Look at
girl,
that. Look at that octopus.
I found a slugger's way.
Oh,
Yeah, right there.